It's Kevin here at EyouAgro, bridging farming needs with top-tier netting solutions. Before we dive into installation methods, let's first understand what vineyard netting is and its crucial role. Vineyard netting serves as a protective barrier, safeguarding your grapes from birds, pests, and adverse weather. It's crafted from high-strength polyethylene, ensuring durability and effectiveness. Based on the weaving technique and installation approach, vineyard netting is categorized into two types: drape netting and side netting. These distinctions are key to choosing the right protection method for your vineyard. Drape netting covers your vines from above, providing extensive protection. It's typically installed using a netting applicator, making it easier, but can be done manually. The process includes preparing the net, draping it over the vines, and securing it for full coverage. For larger areas, nets are connected to form a unified barrier, ensuring no grape is left uncovered. Side netting is applied to the vine row's sides, saving material and allowing for easy post-harvest handling. It starts with securing the net to support structures and continues along the row, ensuring it's firmly attached. Choosing between drape and side netting depends on your vineyard's layout and needs. Drape netting offers broad coverage, ideal for high-risk areas but requires machinery. Side netting, while more manual, is cost-effective and perfect for tighter spaces. Consider your vineyard's conditions, budget, and labor availability to decide the best method for you. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. For more tips and solutions, visit EyouAgro.